triangles. What? Yeah, we have done about the criterion of the triangles. We have done about the criterions of the triangles now. So, what are the three criterions we studied? One is the AAA criterion. One is AAA criterion. Second one is SSS criterion. SAS criterion. Third one is the SAS criterion. Okay, all the three we studied. Where is AA? Where is it? AA also. Okay. AA criterion, SSS criterion, and the SAS criterion. All the three we studied. Okay. Yes, so AA criterion means if the two angles or the three angles are equal in both the triangles, then they are similar. SSS means what? If the sides are proportional. If the three sides are proportional in both the triangles, that means it is SSS criterion. We can say that the triangles are similar. SAS, if two sides are proportional and the included angle with that are equal, then the two triangles are the two triangles will be similar. So all the three criterions we studied. Now we will start with the exercise. Exercise 6.3 about these criterions. Okay, 6.3 about these criterions. Triangles. Exercise 6.3. The first main here. State which pairs of triangles are similar. Write the similarity criterion used for answering the questions and also write pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. The first one. So first one here, A, B, C. Another one, P, Q, R. First one, ABC and PQR. A is 60 degree, B 80 degree, C 40 degree. Here also it is 60, 80 and 40. Tell me which criterion, Pawan? Which criterion is this? So not that. Okay, 300. Okay, listen here. ABC and PQR, they are similar by all the three corresponding angles are equal here. That's why the two triangles are similar. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, that means what? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. It's difficult to study for you. You can study that. Okay, fine. You can put like and stuff. Fine. Okay. Second one. Raga, second one, tell me it is similar or not? By exercise criteria. A, B, C. 2, 3 and 2.5. This is P, Q and R. Okay. You have 6, 5 and 4. RQC. So we can see this BC and PR. How they are proportional. BC by PR I can write. That is equal to 1 by 2. Correct? BC by PR. Then we have AB by QR. AB by QR. It is equal to again 1 by 2. Then by AC by PR is done QR. Then AC by PQ. That is also equal to 1 by 2. So the two triangles are similar. by SSS criterion. Tell me the names. Sharada. A here.
Second one is ABC is similar to
ABC is similar to triangle
QRP.
QRP. Okay, just check. AB by QR, then BC by PR. Yeah, you will get. And AC by PQ. Correct. Okay. See, listen everyone once here. When you are writing similar, corresponding angles, same only you should write, and even the sides. And if you observe, BC by PR, AB by QR, AC by PQ is all are equal to 1 by 2. So, BC by PR. This is BC by PR. Then AB. AB by QR you should get. Same order you have. Then AC by PQ. Same order you have. So that order only you should write. Double A, see. If two angles are equal, think. Third angle should be equal, right?
Yeah.
Correct, no? So if you write three angles also on right, you can write it as AA criteria. So just write two, write AA criterion. Actually, it is both are same.
Okay.
Understood? No, two angles are equal. Third should be equal because it is sum should be equal to 180 degree, right? That's why that AA, nothing else, no much difference. Okay. This one done. Everyone understood now? Third one. Third one, what we have?
Not similar.
Aditya.
It's not similar.
Not similar. Why it is not similar? So, third one, the two triangles are not similar. The two triangles are not similar. Because what is the reason? The sides are not proportional here. As the corresponding sides ratio are not equal. They are not equal, hence they are not similar. So if you see in the third one, what we will get? PM by DE is 1 by 2 and PL by DF is also 1 by 2, but that is not equal to LM by EF. You will not get that ratio equal. That's why they are not similar. Clear now? Next. Lakshit, fourth one.
I think it's
Don't correctly tell. Similar or not? Like this. Similar. Okay. Why it is similar? Keisha?
Yes.
Yes. So what and all we will get here? P, Q, R. This is 10. Here it is 5, 2.5. This is 70. This is also 70 degree. Okay. So angle M is equal to angle Q. First thing. Then what we have here? One is 2.5. No. This is 5, no? Correct. Mn by PQ is equal to ML by QR. ML by QR. That is equal to 1. If you write similar, how it will come? MN. Tell me which two triangles there? Keisha, which one will be similar here? Triangles. Triangle MN.
PQ.
R.
MNL. PQR.
M. MNL.
QPR.
You tell me what is it. I will write that.
Wait. M and
Is
N.
that it is not similar. This is what I've written actually.
No, M and N to be good.
M
N
L.
and N. N and N.
N and N.
Yeah.
N
N.
M.
L.
L.
Okay.
To be good.
To P Q R. Okay. M and Q equal angles. So NM or MN by PQ. Okay, correct. It is equal to ML by QR. Correct. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. So this is no. Correct now.
Yes.
So the sides proportional also you have to write it properly. MML is similar to triangle PQR. Why it is similar? By SAS similarity criterion. By SAS similarity criterion. That means what? The included angle and the two sides are proportional and the included angle are equal. So it is SAS criteria. Okay. Netra, next one, fifth one.
It's not similar.
Why it is not similar? Okay.
Others are not the same.
Angles are not the same. Okay. Here actually F and A is F and A is actually equal to 80 degrees only there. Angle A is equal to angle F. That is there. Now AB by DF. AB by DF is equal to BC by EF. That is equal to 1 by 2. But with the sides proportional, if you take angles, you will not get the included angle here. That's why they are not similar. That's why they are not similar. Okay. The included angle is not equal. The included angle is not equal. Some other angle is equal, but the included angle of the two sides is not equal, right? Therefore, it is not similar. It is not similar. Write down this, then we will continue. Kisha, we're asking, right? Here.
That's why.
That 80, this is 70, and this is here it is 80 degree, this is 30 degree. If this is 80 and 70, this should be 30 degree only, right? So here also it should be 70 itself because total it should be 180 degree.
I think it should be like. If we do something,
You can write anything. It's fine.
you have to work with it.
You can write anything. I prefer writing triple A only because all the three are like that. Yeah. Okay.
What do you think?
Now, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. That means what? D and P equal, E and F, Q equal, and F and R equal. Okay. So the two triangles are similar by AAA criterion. By AAA criterion. Okay. Try the second one now. Second question, everyone. Tejashree, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Everyone do the second one. In the given figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So what is the diagram they have given? ODC. OE. This is A and this is B. And this is 125 degree. This is 70 degree. Find the angle. What is telling? DOC. Find angle DOC, DCO, and OAB. This is a given question. 1 minute. Listen, everyone here. Everyone. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle here OBA. That means what? Angle O. These two angles are equal. Okay. That is DOC angle is equal to AOB angle first thing. Then angle D and B are equal. D is equal to B angle. By this only you will know everything. D is equal to B. That is CDO. CDO angle is equal to OBA angle. Okay. Then third one, C and A equal. So this CIA angle is equal to A angle. C and A equal because by just knowing which two similar, you will know what are the corresponding sides equal, what are the corresponding angles equal. Because in the given data, just that only will know everything. Okay. So here, C and A equal. That is DCO angle is equal to OAB angle. Okay. Now find all the angles. You can easily find DOC. Now, DOC. This is 70. What will be this angle now? D and B are equal. So this is also 70 degree. Now, this is 125 degrees. So this side also it will be 125 degree. Now what will be this angle? 55 because linear pair. These two will be 55. This will be 55 and here also it is 55 degree. What about C?
55.
70 plus 55. How much you will get here? It is 125. So this angle is also equal to 55. Angle sum proper. Clear, no? So now angle B is 70 degrees. This is 70 degree. Yeah, everything there. You can write DOC is 55. DCO. So this is also 55 degree. And OAB. That is also 55. Okay. Write down this. Try the third one. Is parallel to CD here. And diagonals AC and BD, diagonals AC and BD. They intersect at point O. Okay. So using the similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So which two triangles I can take now? I have to prove OA by OC by OB by OD. I should prove that these two triangles similar. Which two triangles I can take?
From the parallel OAB and ODC.
OAB and ODC. What you will get? Lakshit, which two triangles I can take to prove they are similar? OCD. Correct. Now, listen. In triangle OAB and OCD, these two triangles. Okay, in these two triangles, this opposite angles now. These two are vertically opposite triangles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. That is AOB angle is equal to COD angle. They are vertically opposite angles. Then which angle I can say, Lakshit?
Correct.
Correct. Good. Which one?
AC.
A and C, these two angles. So, how to name them? BAO angle. BAO angle is equal to OCD angle. They are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles because AB is parallel to CD and this is a transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. Then ABO angle is equal to ODC angle, same way alternate interior angles are equal. So therefore, triangle A here, angle A is equal to angle C. O is equal to O, B is equal to D. So in the same order you should write. Now from this I can say therefore AO by OC. AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. And that is also equal to AB by C. Hence, proof. Understood, no, everyone? Pavan, you have doubt? Okay, listen here. I have to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Okay. So whenever they ask to prove, sides are proportional. So you are using most of the time similarity criteria. Okay. So I will take triangles OAB and OCD, these two triangles. Now in these two triangles, I will try to prove they are similar so that I can say the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Now these two angles are vertically opposite angles, they are equal. So I have written that. Angle A is equal to angle C because they are alternate interior angles. These two sides proportional. Okay. So these two angles, they are alternate interior angles which are Vihan and Aditya. Don't murmur here. Others, they can't be able to understand. Okay, everyone and both of you are telling. Everyone should understand, no? Angle A and angle C, they are equal because they are alternate interior angles. Okay. Next, we have B is equal to D because these two are also alternate interior angles that we have written. Since all the three angles are equal in a triangle, the triangles are similar. So I can write here, see, A angle is equal to C angle, O angle is equal, B is equal to D. So they are similar. Now write the sides proportional. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD, that is equal to AB by C. Okay, write down. Write down and try the fourth one. Now, next and all, mainly what you have to see is wherever they are asking to prove sides are proportional, that means you have to prove two triangles similar. The main key thing is which two triangles I have to take so that I can prove that. So we have to take such a way that one in the numerator, whatever side you would have given, it is in one triangle. Denominator which is there, it is in the other triangle. Try to take like that. Okay. So any one of the three criteria you will be able to prove. The given figure, what is given here? Actually, given here is QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And they've given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So to show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR, it is easy only. Directly you have to prove. So which two triangles I have to consider? They've already given. Correct, no? So just you have to prove that. PQs. TQR only. This here it's PQS is similar to TQR. That you have to prove. They've given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is the given thing. T Q R. Okay. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. And listen once. I have not written the two extra lines. First, 1 and 2 equal, no angles. When in a triangle TQR, if the two angles are equal, then sides opposite to that are equal.
But here it's not the whole. It's only like R is not.
No.
They've left the space.
They've left the space. Okay, they've left the space there. Sure.
So only PR is.
Okay. Now this is angle 2 they have given. Okay. Yes line I have not drawn here. 1 and 2 angles equal. That means what? PQ is equal to PR. Because in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to that are equal. So write that. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. Reason, if two angles are equal in a triangle, sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. So we know now PQ is equal to PR. That much we know. Now I have to prove PQS is similar to TQR. So now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. So TQR is a bigger triangle what we have. TQR is a bigger triangle. Another triangle is PQS, this one. P Q yes, PQS. So what we can tell? QR by QS. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, which is given. Correct? Instead of PR, I can write PQ because we know. Okay, this is 1. Therefore, I can write QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. That is, if you see these two triangles, QR is this side by QS. Then you have QT, this one TQ by PQ. These two sides proportional we already know. Correct now? Now, angle Q is common for both. So, by SAS, I can prove that the two triangles are similar. Okay. So, I can say PQS is equal to TQR, their common angle. Okay. So, therefore, PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay. So since we know that PQ is equal to PR, instead of PR, I will put PQ. Now two sides proportional I will get. And one common included angle is a common angle for both. So they are also equal. By SAS criterion, I can say the two triangles are similar. Okay. Try the fifth one. Okay. In PR, S is a point. So this is P, R, and Q. S is 1 point. Like we will take here. S is 1 point on PR. Okay. And T are the points on QR. T is a point on QR. Now, angle P is equal to RTS. So join this RTS. These two angles are equal. Now show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So now, first thing I have to consider triangle. In triangle RPQ. RPQ is what? This is a bigger triangle RPQ. One triangle RPQ which is big. Okay. And another triangle RTS. RTS, smaller triangle. Which these two triangles I have to prove it is similar. R is common for both. Correct? So I can write that PRQ angle is equal to TRS angle because this is a common angle. Now, angle T here is equal to angle P, which is he has given that. So, RPQ angle is equal to RTS angle, it is given. So, if two angles are equal, third angle should be equal, right? So, I can write RQP angle is equal to RST angle by angle sum property. Angle sum property. So all the three angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. So triangle, now angle R are both equal, right? So I'll write R and R. Then P is equal to T. So here P and this is T. Q is equal to S. So Q and S by AAA criterion. I prefer writing like AAA criterion. I usually write that. If you want AAA criterion also write. If you write AAA, write only two angles. If you are writing AAA, write the third one as angle sum property and write that. That's it. And figure, what they have given in the figure here. This is A, B, and C. 1 point you will call it as D, other one E. Okay, they have joined the lines. Now, in the given figure, if triangle ABE given ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, this is a given thing. ABE, see ABE, this triangle. Okay, so that is congruent to triangle ACD. These two triangles congruent. Congruent means what? They are exactly same. So corresponding angles are equal and corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal here. Once we know it is congruent. One is ABE, another one is ACD. These two triangles are equal. So what and all I can say equal? Anyway, we know it's common angle. And this angle B will be equal to angle C and E and D will be equal. Okay. So now AB is equal to AC. Since they are congruent, I can say AB is equal to AC. Okay. And AE is equal to AD. AE is equal to AD, AE is equal to AD, and AB is equal to AC, and BE is equal to CD. These are the data what we will get. Okay, because they have already told that they are congruent. Okay, so congruent means what? Corresponding sides and angles will be equal. So this I will write by CPCT rule. Now, which two triangles I have to prove similar? Now consider that. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So ADE, this is ADE. Okay. And ABC, bigger triangle. So in this, A is the common angle for both. A is the same angle for ADE and ABC, same angle A. So I can write now DAE angle this angle is equal to this. This is equal to BAC angle. This much we know. Then what else we can say? Now here, tell me which other angles or anything I can say here they are equal.
From AB and AC, AB by AC equals to 1. AE by AD is equals to 1. So AB by AC will be equal to AE by AD.
Correct.
Then you cross multiply and you get
Correct. They are
thing angles, essays.
So we know AD is equal to AE. AE is equal to AD. We know this. Then AD by AB. And we know AB is equal to AC. Multiply equation 1 and 2, what you will get? AE into AB. A is equal to AD into AC. Or I can write AB by AD. AD I will bring it down. That is equal to AC by AD. So two sides ratio and angle are equal. That's why I can say that the two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to AC. So sorry, while writing it. ADE, no? 1 minute. ADE is similar to triangle triangles. You can AD by AB. Then BE by BC. And AE by AC. So by SAS similarity. Okay. By SAS similarity, right? Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.